Hey friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Opto-Cruisers। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है कॉर्निया एंड इट्स लेयर्स। तो शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी देरी के। First of all, I want to tell you what is cornea. It is transparent, avascular means कोई भी blood vessels नहीं होती है इसमें। Watch glass like structure as you can see in this diagram. It forms the anterior 1/6 of outer fibrous coat or layer of the eyeball. Cornea is major refractive surface of eye. Second is crystalline lens. Now comes the dimensions of cornea. Anterior surface of cornea is elliptical with horizontal diameter 11.7 mm and vertical diameter 11 mm. The diameter of posterior surface of cornea is 11.5 mm and it is circular. Thickness of cornea is less at the center with variation from 0.5 to 0.6 mm, then periphery with variation from 1 to 1.2 mm. And in microns, the average corneal thickness is 540 to 560 micrometers. Anterior and posterior radius of curvature is 7.8 and 6.5 mm respectively. Refractive index is 1.376 and the refractive power is 45 diopters. Now comes the histology of cornea. Cornea is made up of 6 layers and it is listed here from anterior to posterior. अब हम इसे डिटेल में समझेंगे एक एक करके. So first one is corneal epithelium. It is made up of stratified squamous cells. It consists of 5 to 6 layers. The deepest layer is of columnar or basal cells. Next 2 to 3 layers are of wing or umbrella cells. The most superficial 2 layers are made up of flattened cells as you can see in this diagram. Superficial epithelium cells बहुत ही tightly packed होते हैं so that tears stoma में ना जाए. Second layer is Bowman's membrane, also called as anterior limiting lamina. It is smooth as you can see in this diagram. Acellular mass of condensed collagen fibrils. It helps in resisting infections, but it cannot be regenerated. Third is corneal stroma, also called as substantia propria. It is about 0.5 mm thick. Type 1 and type 5 collagen fibrils are embedded in hydrated matrix of proteoglycans. Lamina are arranged parallelly. That's why cornea is transparent. Keratocytes, wandering macrophages, histiocytes and leukocytes are also present and helps in defense mechanism. Fourth one is predesmets membrane, also known as Dua's layer. It was discovered in 2013 by Dr. Harminder Dua, an Indian ophthalmologist. It is acellular, very strong, impervious to air and about 15 microns thick. Fifth layer of cornea is Descemet's membrane, also called as posterior elastic lamina. It is strong homogeneous basement membrane resistant to chemicals, trauma and pathological process. It is made up of collagen fibrils and glycoproteins. Unlike Bowman's, it can regenerate. This is Descemet's layer, very next to Dua's layer. Sixth and last layer is corneal endothelium. It is single layer of flat polygonal cells. Its cell density is 3000 cells per mm square in young adults and deteriorate with age. Cell loss are compensated by the enlargement of other cells causing polymegathism. It helps in pumping fluid out of stroma to prevent edema, known as active pump mechanism. These are normal endothelial cells. Now comes the blood supply to cornea. As cornea is avascular, तो small loops जो कि anterior ciliary vessels से आई हैं वो एंटर करती हैं only 1 mm. ये लूप्स कॉर्निया में नहीं बल्कि सब कंजक्टाइवल टिश्यू में होती हैं which overlaps the cornea. Next is nerve supply. It is supplied by anterior ciliary nerves which are branches of ophthalmic division of fifth cranial nerve. So that's all about cornea and its layer. If you have any queries, you can ask me in comment box. See you guys in next video. Bye bye.